Hey y'all, I'm Pearl Banks, and you watching. So guys, today's video is about a newfound love of mine, and that's musky fishing. Today was my very first time. We went out, had a blast, had a ball. I absolutely fell in love with it. I went with two great friends of mine, and I work with them every day. You'll see Clyde Bowen, he's the man up front running the trolling motor. Linville Average, he's the man in the back and the brains of the operation, unfortunately. But he's got over 25 years of musky fishing experience, and he really learned us a lot today. For his baits goes, we used all his gear, and his stuff's not cheap. And believe me, we lost quite a few. He didn't get mad at us every time. But I caught some fish. The other guys had some fish trailing. Altogether, we had 3 fish trail. And by trail, what I mean is these fish is very territorial. And when they get on a bait, they'll follow it all the way to the boat. And once you get to the boat, you're supposed to do a figure 8. And you'll see some in this video. And sometimes that'll trigger bite, sometimes not. But we had 3 fish trail and ended up catching 2. Now one, you'll see, it kind of gets caught back in its body, and I don't know what happened there, but they say these fish will slap at the bait, and I assume when he slapped, I set the hook, and unfortunately ended up getting him back in his body, but he didn't get hurt him a bit. He released just fine and was good as gold. But the name of the bait, I'll show you in the video. I'll also put their link in the description below. What we was using was bucktails for the most part, me and Linville. And they really seem to work. I didn't know it at the time, but they are a summertime bait. Linville never did mention that, but I ended up doing some research and found out they are a summertime bait. And today it just so happened to work, but really fell in love with this. They call it a fish of 10,000 cast. Well, we probably casted 10,000 times today, but we got a couple, so that's the main thing. But anyway, guys, let's get to the meat and potatoes of the video. Here we go.
Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. OG boy. Day we hustle, but the night we OG boy. Know that they ride or die. I'm a OG boy. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. OG boy. Day we hustle, but the night we boys by my side. OG boy. Know that they ride or die. My name came up a lot, it sounds more when I was not around. Certain people that I know, they ain't no longer about. My name came up a lot, it sounds more when I was not around. Certain people that I know, they ain't no longer about. My name came up a lot, it sounds more when I was not around. Certain people that I know, they ain't no longer about. My name came up a lot, it sounds more when I was not around. Certain people that I know, they ain't no longer about. I'm a OG boy. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. OG boy. Day we hustle, but the night back, we know that the
Whoa.
That wasn't me. I was running weeds. Oh, I hit in the weeds. It hit right there. Right when I hit in the weeds, it hit right there.
Hey, one over in there?
What?
Musky.
I keep watching that statement change and follow them in.
Right there where that rock point comes off, where I caught that one, or hooked it.
Baby.
No. I mean,
Anyway,
it was big to me. I guess in the musky world it probably wasn't too big, but when you're fishing for bass and hook into something like that, it's pretty big, you know.
One I ever caught, I thought was me and Jeff. I thought say, you know, get them on little baits, big baits, you don't find them. You just find a better chance to catch some good fish.
Right.
Play some big baits.
Oh, right there was one. Right there. Well, I had one following mine right then. Good to me. I mean, I sure did, boys. He was that long.
How long?
About like that. He come right off that point right yonder.
Yeah, that's a good place all the way up that bank.
He followed it all the way to the boat.
Get my shoulder back in shape for this.
And then you feel it right between my shoulder blades.
You know, good looking spot land on that fish. I'll tell you what's wrong with Musky. Well, they've been up in here, they just ain't asked about what it is.
I'm gonna catch that one right there off that point. As soon as he gets there.
But you think so if you go up the river channel, through the water would be,
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's getting up.
two of them Buckhorn. Oh, we got that right in there, Pearl.
Mm-hmm. Well, we was on the other side of it, but it come right off that point.
Going back out this way, you can see them take time, good.
Yeah.
Yeah, a lot better than you could coming up.
That's a good little old spinner swim bait, ain't it?
Yeah. I tell you, every once in a while, you'll get one back up right then, but he has to be wanting it off the bait. Usually when they see that boat,
Spoke some up.
No, you don't even know what the boat was.
Well, they know it ain't supposed to be there. So they ain't supposed to go to it, I'd say.
They might, man, I don't know.
Them tell me he took them 4 workers.
Right there where that shade meets that sun. To me it is now. To me it is. Which I ain't no muscalina, but
In a place like this, I've got to be laying anywhere. You
Mhm.
expect it when you
right,
see them and get a hit.
right. I'd say that's the way it's happened to everybody today. Didn't expect it at all, and look up and there it is.
Well, I think they got creeks like that, well, that's not their help. Not see a thing. One day them turn and go right back up through there and hit thing. I tell you, Musky always, it ain't hard to learn where you at. The thing's going to start. You see him on there? You might not see him every time you go there, but he's there if you feel anything. You keep going back.
Oh, that right, he don't vary off very far. Well, that'd be good when you get to know a lake one.
That's what I'm saying, year out of year, they about in the same spot over there, Pearl.
Net level.
Where's it?
Get the net level.
I told you that can't play, didn't I, Pearl?
I told you I was going to catch him too, didn't I? How about it?
He hit that circus hat.
I told you.
Camera on.
How far, Pearl, put your foot on him more.
Yeah, the camera on.
Yeah.
Any minute, Pearl.
Yeah, I'm going to get it out of him first.
Yeah, that's what I think.
Right in the lip.
He wasn't too far off the boat, was he, Pearl?
Oh, he was out there a little ways, not.
He probably was following that bait back in, though.
Oh, when I hear Pearl holler, I look and he was, look like he's out there about 10, 15 foot.
That's about what he was, yeah.
I thought he hooked him pretty good to have his little lumber pulled it. Yeah, probably about 30, 32. But he don't earn test it, but I'll tell you 40 inches, big fish.
No, it ain't 40. Got you, Pearl.
That didn't offer to follow it around, it slammed it. Which I ain't saying it didn't follow it from way over there, but when I seen him, he slammed it.
Probably come up that mouth wide open.
Yeah, yeah. When I said there it is, he was going after it right then.
They want him. They want him.
He just had latched into it.
He probably hard to take it away from him while ago.
Oh yeah, well he was right at the boat, you know, and I didn't know.
He wasn't gonna give it up that time.
I didn't know what to do. Which I was down in here, so it's hard to figure out.
But yeah, I don't do that a lot, but I see one coming.
Yeah, right. Hold you up for making that next cast too.
If they want it back now, they're gonna get it.
They gonna get it regardless. He punched a few holes in the big tail there.
Yeah. I got plenty of them somewhere, too. Done the job, didn't
Yeah.
Just imagine what a big one would be, Clyde. That was kind of a smaller one. Just imagine what a 50-incher would be.
Oh my God. I'd love to catch a 150.
I'll tell you what, they're a handful.
It takes you a long time to get them in, huh?
Yeah, cold, like in that river in cold weather, late fall over here, they fight hard. This time of year, I mean, they still be a good fight, but the colder it is, the harder they fight. Most time big musky over here try to go deep. Yeah. They won't come up and jump and stuff.
Try to run to the bottom on you.
Yeah, you have to pull them up. But now if you get into a boat, they'll jump and splash. But,
Pull and drag on you.
yeah. I'm taking that little backtracker. If I was in the front hit by myself, they'd turn it right around.
That there was taking drag. I'm glad I checked it. He was pulling it right there.
I'm not too strong, you think they are.
Yeah. Hell, they gotta be. Look at them. They like a damn,
Right there, down
like a torpedo.
Yeah. I figured they'd be running land around they made that creek, not that same thing. Drifting up out of water,
He's still down there.
I ain't seen him now. He followed me around here.
Pretty good.
Yeah, it looked like a little curl. He come up just like that, and I started pulling that bait out of the water.
Yeah.
Well, you think a big largemouth would eat that, huh?
Big enough, yeah.
4 or 5 pounders, yeah,
Yeah. 4 or 5 pounders got a mouth that big enough.
Yeah, that's exactly what I'm asking.
Today's a good day to fish. Those overcast sky. I mean,
Oh, what the hell they want?
buddy, I'd say just about do that water being torn.
oh, ain't no doubt.
You think he down the bottom?
That could be. Hell, though, that one that come up out of my bait wouldn't be for it. Yeah, that one that come up out of yarn wouldn't, but it ran right up in that creek. I'd say man don't no good around these stumps and make run some fat leatherwood. What do you boys want to do?
I'm game. Whatever. I just want to catch me one.
Well, we seen about one each creek, can't we?
Alright.
Now we actually put one in the boat.
Well, yeah, we seen 2 in the Otter Creek.
I'm telling you, I got hit up there. Ain't doubt my
I got the
I know I got slammed. But it took it straight into the brush where it,
But you You know, a smallmouth or something would have come up and hit. When he hit that, he'd have got it.
Yeah.
This fish didn't do that.
Right.
It hit it and turned and went away.
You had to smack it with his head. I'll tell you, Muskie's hard to catch deep. Like,
You have that time.
I didn't either.
You got it on?
You know what one of those jump, something big jumped right there, I don't know what it was. Well, we know the one up there about here, it's on the back. Gotcha.
Pretty little fish, ain't he?
Yeah. I say it gets up all that cold cooler water and it got
There you go. Today is our giveaway video, and right there's what you can win. Kentucky Culture Company camping set. A little old hatchet, knife, your flint to start a fire with. There it is. Warning, this set is very sharp. Handle with care to avoid causing injury to yourself or others. Use caution at all times when handling. With that said, all you got to do to win, you must be 18 years of age because it's a knife. Must be a subscriber. You must like and share this video. Also comment on it down below. Whatever. Pick me, camping set, whatever. Doesn't matter. As long as you comment below. But, believe me, I hope you win. I really appreciate you guys. I appreciate you letting our channel be a part of your day. You don't know how much we appreciate you. But, hey guys, I had a blast today. I had a blast recording this for you guys. Plenty musky for videos to come. Listen, that's all we got for you today. May God bless. We gone.